you what it is this. Actually, it is a scientific IIT 2021. One second. या IIT साइंटिफिक IIT नया रायपुर जो है वो आपका एक साइंटिफिक 2021 करके एक वेबिनार हो रहा है. इस वेबिनार का स्पेशलिटी, व्हाट इज अ स्पेशलिटी फॉर द दिस वेबिनार. ओके, आपको ये मतलब ये एक सेमिनार भी होगा. इसमें एक पर्सन आएंगे, दैट इज योर बालाजी विश्वनाथन. Okay, and if any children of you are interested in making what your career, making career in what artificial intelligence, cyber security or robotics, ये सब में अगर आपको अपना
मैम ये कंपलसरी है?
Not compulsory, but if you are participating, आपको एक career guidance समझते हो? What things you can do for opting that particular field. So if you are interested in opting that particular field, it's a very good opportunity, because that person is a very renowned person also, and he is the member of Quora. You have heard Quora.com and all that. वो उसके एक मेंबर है, और ये आपको गाइडेंस देंगे किसके रिगार्डिंग, आपको ये जो कि हाउ टू मेक अ करियर इन साइबर सिक्योरिटी, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस एंड रोबोटिक्स. Okay, and if any, and this is also one of the major some children are very innovative. Okay, innovative type के होते, तो if children can present their innovative ideas in the for solving the real life problems also, if you are having any such innovative ideas, you can, it is a stage for you to share it with everyone, so you can come in front of everyone, and also you can get a career guidance knowledge from this. Okay, so please, I am asking you to just join it. That will be much better, not good for you. Okay, is it clear? So I will be not. Yeah, it is on 28th, and Google Form link ma'am has already shared with you in the class 9th, and class 9th B class teacher student group also I have shared. So please enter that. Okay, fill the form and participate in that. It is very good for you. Okay, so I will not. Yeah. Okay, I said, first get ready. All of you, switch on your camera first. Switch on your camera. I don't want to see your cameras off. Only one person. Prakhar. Good. What about others? Huh? What about others? Yes. Now I will be sharing. Now get ready with your copies first. Get ready with your copy. Get ready with your copy and pen. Okay, get ready with your copy and pen first. I will be sharing the question paper with you, and it will be of 10 marks.
Ma'am.
Yes. Get ready with your copy and pen. And while writing the test, I want to see your faces. Bhumi, Vanshika, Manan, Kushal, Vanshika, Kavya, Tanmay. Everybody I'm watching here, same case. Arham, Garvik, Shreyansh, Raj, Bhavya, Sakshi. Why you're not there? Why you're not there on the camera? All of you ready with your copy and pen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Let's start the test. Now the screen is visible to you now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now start writing.
Ma'am, only 6 questions.
Yes, 10 marks. मैंने क्या बोला था? Maximum 10 marks. If I'm taking more than that, I have to give you 1 hour, and that much time period I am not having. Please keep your videos on, Raj, Bhavya. Krishika, no. Start
Ma'am,
answers. Yes.
ma'am, current problem.
What current problem? Enter to the mobile. Mobile also you are having Zoom now.
Yes, ma'am.
Through the mobile, you use your mobile phone.
Ma'am, no. Ma'am, net is, ma'am, Wi-Fi using.
वाईफाई का पासवर्ड आपके मोबाइल में नहीं डलेगा?
मैम, मैम लाइट ही गोल हो गया है तो पासवर्ड
Sorry,
कैसे
मोबाइल
डालूं?
डाटा है घर में, मोबाइल डाटा नहीं है. सॉरी.
नहीं मैम, मैम हम लोग वाईफाई से सब चलाते हैं.
बट आई एम एबल टू हियर यू.
मैम वो बस थोड़ा सा नेट बचे उससे मैं देख रहा हूँ बस. वो अभी वापस ऑफ हो जाएगा.
व्हाट्स योर नेम? व्हाट्स योर नेम?
प्रखर नाहर.
प्रखर नाहर.
यस मैम.
मैम किसमें भेजना है सॉल्व करके ये?
You first write, make the PDF. I will send a Google form link where you have to attach your file. Okay? First start writing.
गया है. नेट गया.
Ma'am, we write a question.
No, you don't have to write the question. Keep your videos on. I have to say so many times. Molly, Manan, Raj, Sanyam. And please be regular with your copies. Many of you have still not submitted the copies.
मैम आंसर लिख सकते हैं ना?
मैम इसको कब तक सबमिट करना है?
After 20 minutes, I will send you the link, Google Form link, and there you have to add the file. Okay? Starting many were having the videos on. Now many of you have only one girl, Krishika, then Priyansh, Sheetal, Vanan, Bhumi also. Okay. Now after saying many are doing it on. Please keep your cameras on. Keep your videos on. How many times I have to say? Why only few are having it on? What about others? Labdi, Shreyansh? Divya? Akshat? Molly, keep your videos on. Are you not able to understand English or what? When 20, I will share a link with you, the Google Form link. By that time, start making your PDF, okay? 20 को अपना PDF बनाना चालू कर दीजिएगा. I will stop this displaying the question paper. यस, पीडीएफ बना के करना है, गूगल फॉर्म में आपको लिंक मिलेगा। Please be quick, it's already 10:16. Krishika, done? Wait, I am sending the Google form link. आपका PDF तैयार करो तभी आपका होगा, ओके? I have sent the Google form link, so those who have completed can add your PDF here. But first make the PDF because this form has set a limit of 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, it will get deactivated. So please. Let me check the responses. How many responses I have got till now? Trishika, you have uploaded the paper. Rishika, why you are not paper? I am not able to see the response. I can check the responses from here, but your responses are not visible. Okay. Okay. I am resending. It's already going to be 10:20. Is it done? Completed all of you?
I'm just last question.
Yes, wait, Krishika, let me check. Yeah, Krishika's I got. Only one PDF I got. What is this? Garvik. Also I got. Done? Now I'm stopping this. Now start making the PDF, please, quickly. Be quick. Start making the PDF. All of you. 34 children are there. I want 34 responses. So please be quick. Start making the PDF. Only 2 responses till now. And please upload your PDF with your name. Why others are not giving the responses? Yes. Kushil, I have given already the link now. Why only 3? Yes, no, anything you people say. Should I ask you one by one?
Ma'am, what is last information?
Last information. That means form you are submitted.
ID.
Do not change लिखा है ना वहाँ पे submission tracking ID के बाजू में. Do not change. Then write that. Do not change.
मैम ऐड फाइल में बस ब्लैंक दिखा रहा है तो उसको सबमिट कैसे करेंगे? सिलेक्ट कैसे करें?
Add file में blank वो आपको upload करना पड़ेगा.
मैम वहां पर सिर्फ एक बॉक्स बस आ रहा है उसको ऐड फाइल को क्लिक करने में और कुछ नहीं दिखा रहा उसमें.
कोई ऑप्शन नहीं आ रहा है साइड क्लिक करने से भी आपको.
यस मैम.
Is the other people also facing the same problem?
मैम वो फोन पे कर रही होगी इसीलिए वैसा हो रहा होगा.
मैम अभी फोन में के ऊपर मेरा हो गया है.
What's your name, beta? Who said that मेरा अपलोड नहीं हो रहा है?
मैम काव्या.
Kavya, send me now only in WhatsApp. Now, quickly.
यस मैम.
Others, please upload it quickly. Should I wait for? Oh, yeah, good. Shreyansh, Shrehil, got. Only 5 responses. Rishabh also. Okay. Yes, good, Rishabh. Got. After 5 minutes, this particular form will be getting disabled. So please be quick. The whole period is getting over. Labdi, try to do in the first this in the Google form.
Okay, ma'am.
In WhatsApp, I'm getting so many PDFs that it is totally jammed. That's why I'm not taking any new PDF from WhatsApp.
हो रहा है
नहीं हो रहा? Who is this new one? Manan got. Yes, yes. The link is not opening, Molly. आपने बहुत देर तक खोल के रखा था क्या उसको? 5 मिनट्स के अंदर बंद हो जाएगा, मैंने बोला था ना. Within 5 minutes, the form will get disabled. Okay, Khushi. Molly, you also send me directly. Please be quick. I'm waiting for the responses. 6 responses till now. 34 children are there and 6 responses only. What about others? Are they sleeping or what?
Ma'am, I'm not able to submit to the link.
मैम नहीं हो रहा अपलोड.
ठीक है, व्हाट्सएप में भेज दीजिए. अब कैसे नहीं अपलोड हो रहा है? यहाँ पे देखिए, रेस्पॉन्स तो मिल रहा है. देखो, 6 responses I already got. Those who are not able to submit, please. Now one more person has given. Good. वन टीबी का ये अपलोड ले सकता है. इतना सारा है फाइल का मैंने एक्सटेंशन रखा है. हाउ इट इज नॉट गेटिंग अपलोडेड? Those who are not able to send, please don't wait for that. मैडम कोई और लिंक भेजेगी. अपना नाम और आईडी के साथ be quick with it now and send me in the WhatsApp. After 10:30, I am not going to accept any PDF file. So don't send me after 10:30. I will reject it directly. I will not check.
मैम मेरा आया कि नहीं एक बार देख लो ना.
WhatsApp, I am not going to check WhatsApp now. मैं अभी Google फॉर्म.
मेरे पास आपका नंबर नहीं है.
क्या नहीं है? क्लास 9B, which class?
नंबर.
हाँ, which section you are?
मैम मैंने सेंड किया है, उसमें तो दिखा रहा है. मैम.
Yes, yes, बेटा. 1 minute. हाँ, 1 minute. 1 second. क्या हुआ बेटा? What you are saying? Tell.
मैम मेरे पास आपका नंबर नहीं है.
Yes, one girl that I am giving. One girl was talking to me. Who was that?
यस मैम. मैम इशिका.
हाँ, बोलो बेटा.
मैम मैंने आपको PDF सबमिट किया है, लिंक में दिखा रहा है, एक बार चेक कर लो ना आया है कि नहीं.
इशिका not.
मैम व्हाट्सएप से कर दूं क्या फिर? यस.
Okay. Got the map. Send me in this number. Okay. Please be quick. After 10:30, I'm not going to accept any responses. So please be quick. Later on मेरे को मत बोलना मैडम ने मैंने इसको भेजा उसको भेजा है, आप accept करो. No. And whatever responses you are sending, I will show that, check that, and I will show that to the higher authorities. So what you are doing, they should know, and your parents should also know what test you are giving. 9 people have submitted. Good, good. Please keep yourself mute if that much noise is coming. सबका हो गया? Everybody completed? Done? किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम है अभी? So it's 10:30. Okay, Vanshika, good. In the next class, I will continue. आप यहाँ कहाँ तक हो गया?
मैम मैंने आपको व्हाट्सएप में सेंड कर दी है.
Okay, good, no problem. So concentration तक आपका हो चुका है. Concentration की तक आपका क्लास टेस्ट भी हो गया. अब next.
Ma'am, I'm also sent in WhatsApp.
Yes, okay, no. In the next class, we will